Are you interested in taking your racing abilities to the next level? Are you new to mountain bike racing and wondering where the best place to start is? If so, look no further than the Ride Guides Mountain Bike Racing Clinic with Coach Kevin Sims. Kevin, or Simmer as we like to call him, is an NCCP Level 3 certified cycling coach and former Ontario Cycling Provincial mountain bike coach. Learn about building an engine, developing some gears, and preparing to perform on race day. Kevin will help build your cycling fitness and technical skills through this intense day-long course. And as always, a healthy lunch will be provided to all participants along with an in-depth discussion on hydration and nutritional strategies. Our scheduled mountain bike race clinics take place at Hardwood Ski and Bike in the heart of Oro-Medonte, about 15 minutes north of Barrie. The Ride Guides Mountain Bike Race Clinic can prove invaluable for any cycling discipline, be it mountain biking, cyclocross, road, or triathlon. Participants will spend the day working through various drills developed to improve the rider's efficiency and technical development. Kevin will provide one-on-one coaching and give individual progression and development strategies while covering key fundamentals such as climbing and descending for competition, cornering efficiency, and the SMAC principles, which are speed, momentum, acceleration, and conservation. Space for these exclusive clinics is limited to keep the intimate nature of the course and to allow for maximum development. For those looking for a more tailored or individual experience, Kevin is also available for both private instruction and group events through Ride Guides. If you're interested in attending the Ride Guides Mountain Bike Racing Clinic, visit us online at rideguides.ca or call us at 705-241-9938 and we'll be happy to help. Hopefully we'll see you at your next race.